Hey there guys, this is Unknown from GreedyTech and this is a gaming review of Redmi Note 10. Now before we start, here are some specifications. Now this phone has 6.43-inch Super AMOLED display with Full HD Plus resolution. It has peak brightness of 1100 nits and it has 100% DCI-P3 color gamut. Now this is a Corning Gorilla Glass 3. In the performance section, it packs Snapdragon 678 with Adreno 612 GPU. And it has up to 6GB LPDDR4X RAM and up to 128GB UFS 2.2 flash storage. Now coming to the battery department, it has 5000 mAh battery and comes with 33-watt fast charger in the box. As for the audio, it has dual stereo speakers that are hi-res audio certified. Now here are Antutu and Geekbench scores. Now this is my current setup. There are two huge lights on either side. Battery is currently at 58%. And there's an AC running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Let's check the temperature before we start. On the front, the highest is 33 degrees. On the back, it is fluctuating from 32 to 33. On the bottom, it is 33 degrees. Now I'll start the timer and start with Asphalt 9. As you can see, the visuals are great, the details are pretty good, and the controls are also smooth. The stereo speakers give an immersive experience. There is a minimal lag, but that's negligible. Overall, it is playable. So it's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 36 to 37 degrees. On the bottom it is 33 degrees. On the back it is 35 to 37 degrees. On the bottom it is 34 degrees. Next I'm going to play Modern Combat 5. The visuals are good, the details are nice, but the controls feel slightly laggy, not too smooth. It is still playable. It's been 5 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is 37 to 38 degrees. On the bottom it is 35 degrees. On the back it is 35 to 37 degrees. On the bottom it is 35 degrees. Next I'm going to play Call of Duty. These are the graphic settings. Very high graphics and high frame rate are the highest setting available. There is max frame rate, but when selected the graphics come down to high. So I'll be playing in very high graphics and very high frame rate. The visuals and details are great and the controls are also pretty smooth. Overall, the game is definitely playable.
Enemy contact!
On standby.
Changing mag! contact.
It's been 5 minutes since I'm playing this game. Let's check the temperature. On the front it is 40 to 43 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. On the back it is 39 to 42 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. It's been close to 16 minutes. Now the battery came down to 54% and the phone feels slightly warm. So for approximately 15 minutes of gameplay, phone consumed 4% of battery. Now for the heat test, I'll take pictures from front and rear camera for 3 minutes and check the temperature. AC is still running in the background at 26 degrees and the room temperature is at 27 degrees. Now I'll reset the timer and start taking pictures. It's been 3 minutes, let's check the temperature. On the front it is fluctuating from 44 to 47 degrees. On the bottom it is 36 degrees. On the back it is fluctuating from 41 to 45 degrees. On the bottom it is 37 degrees. Now the phone feels slightly hot. It's not that hot. Now I'll use the phone for a minute to check for throttling. By the way, it took 262 photos in 3 minutes, which is good. And there is no throttling going on. So guys, to conclude, this phone has a good gaming experience, and because of that punch hole display and dual stereo speakers, you get an overall great gaming experience. Now that's pretty much it for this video. What are your thoughts on this? Let us know in the comments below. And if you want us to make any specific video, tweet out to us with hashtag AskGreedyTech on Twitter and we will try to get back to you as soon as possible. I'm Unknown from GreedyTech. See you in the next video.